What's up? Back in the garage, working on the S13. This is the next video, and you know what we're doing? We're putting parts on this thing. We're getting stuff done. So, first thing is check out this KBD bumper. Check it out. It's pretty sweet, and it's weird. Comes in a small box. Pops right out. What? All right. So, anyways, I got this bumper in the mail, and KBD bumpers, and supposedly they're like perfect fit, guaranteed fit bumpers, and they sort of come in a weird box, so I had to share this. We're gonna do an unboxing therapy, so yeah, here we go. So yeah, I got this KBD bumper. Even Boots is like, whoa, what's up with that? What do you think, bro? You think we're gonna get this open? It's gonna be like normal, perfect? Want to help open it? So yeah, this is a front bumper for an S13, so don't mind my sturdy floor. I guess we're not. Oh, jeez. The UPS packaging is so bad. Say, there's a little guy, like, yo, you got your bumper. And there's me like, oh, dude, no, what? Then here's me. Oh, okay, I gotta open it up, find a heat source. Or other heat source, sun. We don't have sun, we're in Michigan. And then it says 15 minutes. So open it up, pizzazz. It's like magic. So a lot of. Look at this, dude. This is crazy. This is crazy. So. Oh my gosh, it's like wrinkly and gross. All right, hey, so here we go. If I got this in the mail and it didn't have that instructions, I'd be blowing these people up with anger. Oh my gosh. All right, let me go get the heat gun, see how this goes. Alright, so I blasted the heating gun on it. It's about 15 minutes. It really is starting to pop out. It looks like a bumper right now. So we're getting this thing on, and it's crazy. Like, that's pretty good. Ran into a few problems. I didn't like the side. I cut the side of the lip, and I don't care what people think. It sort of curved back, and I don't know why. I didn't like it. And I'm working with some other side skirts. I'm trying to make everything look good. So wrapping all this up and got together, and I give it an 8 out of 10. It's pretty good, pretty decent, and I'm sure it's gonna be pretty durable. So I'm working on that. We gotta get some hoses on this guy. So I got some hoses that sort of the same color as my old car in memory. I'm gonna put those boys on, and we're gonna get this radiator situation fixed too. So what are you doing, bro? Just lounging around watching Netflix? Alright guys, it's time to get this radiator out of here so that I can close the hood. It's pretty simple, right? Alright. Got like the minty thing going on in memory of the old car. They're on. Oops. So we got all this stuff on. Things are looking good. And now we need to get this interior. We need to hook this interior up. Man, I'm not saying pimp my ride, I'm just saying clean it up. You know, if I had a set of mint S13 seats, they really don't bother me. I like the shape of them, but they're always so haggard. Here's the racing seat cover. Ooh, somebody chewed on that boy. That's 25 years of abuse right there. So, I'm very lucky. I got some R33 GTS, I think GTS-TTs, seats, I don't know, whatever. But anyways, I was donating some seats. So, for my buddy Ken, thank you very much. Shout out to Ken, EM Meats. So, We're getting those in there, and I got a bunch of little parts I ordered off eBay, of course, because I'm on a budget, you know, whatever. And we're gonna get this all together. And here's an unbox, some unbox therapy. All right, so I got some unboxing therapy. So I actually like randomly bought this steering wheel. I plan on doing this really gaudy VIP drift project. I picked up an LS400, and a few of my friends bugged me about it, and they're like, "Hey, this this really rocks well." So my friends were like, "Hey, I want that car," and I was like, "Oh, you know, like whatever." And I thought about selling it, so I was just like, "All right, well, I got this car." I ended up picking this car literally the same time, almost the same time that I had the other car. Just, you know, I was on this spree of finding a car that I want to work on. So I got the steering wheel, and I was like, oh, I'll get this like super blingy steering wheel. That's from Viilante. I think that's how it said. Anyways, they wanted me to do a review on it. At least I talked to the rep on it. And he was like, yeah. So he sent me boxed up, really good boxed up. So it's some unboxed therapy. I'm still going to use the steering wheel on the car for now. I think it would look better in my Lexus project, because my Lexus was going to be all temp and ride. Well, let's take a look. Unbox therapy, let's do it. I love getting new stuff, don't you guys? That's why I'm sharing it with you. So, they said they were going to send some goodies too. So we got a license plate frame. And, oh wow, this is really box really nice. It's just like crazy. So, alright, so here we go. Take a look, guys. It's like in this cool box, and here, let's do some plug for that, right? Check that out. Check out their website, check out the steering wheels. I'm actually gonna see if they'll send me another steering wheel or work something out. So here we go. Got the case. There we go. So let's reduce our packaging. Divided. I'm using my dirt quick too, so sorry guys out there, you're thinking more of a person. Alright. Aha! Check it out, guys. Oh, you like that bling bling? I sort of regret getting the gold, because this car is like black and gray, but hey, you know what? Let's enjoy it for a little bit, right? Oh, rat! The rat. What else I got in here? Probably sticker or something. I'll rip it. I would like rip it open, just break it. We got like a clear keychain. Definitely keeping up on the swag. Some sort of fancy sticker I'll put in the toolbox. And looks like, just hardware. All right, let's get this installed, guys. So we got all this stuff done. I got a new steering wheel. It's all blinged out. Just little stuff here and there, you know, getting things situated. And that's where I'm at so far. I don't know, got some wheels. Got a few other things I'm working on. You know, let's get some paint on this guy, see where it goes from there, and take care of stuff. And 50. And this is the same size.
No, you got big ass tires in the rear.
That's what I was thinking. Oh yeah, look, it's a 205 50R. So that's crazy. Like, what? Would you go to like the used tire place? Like, this doesn't make no sense. It's like off-road tires back there. So, all right. So like, yeah, we got. So being on the worst budget ever with this car, picked a set of these up for nearly nothing. XXRs. So like in the drifting world, the XXRs are like these cheap wheels that you can curb up. They're already curved. So look, that I should have paid extra for that. Just kidding, you know. But yeah, we're gonna put these on the car, and we're gonna sport these for a little bit because the car. So like what we're doing with the cars, we're doing like a sort of a rat rod theme. I might actually do some pinstripe painting on it too. So there's Wheeler. What's up? Ha. So like, we got the side skirts mounted with a few screws, and I'm gonna mount them better, but we'll just sort of put it on for now. That's what we're doing. So yeah. It's cold, man. What is it, like 30 now?
29.
29. That's crazy. So anyways, I don't know. This is what's going on with the car right now. And it's coming along really nicely. I'm gonna get the wheels on there. And then we're gonna put the coilovers on. That should be on the car too. Well, whenever, you know. I mean, it's already, you know, got clothes on there. Yeah.